Hello, my name is Cassie and I'm a librarian at the Twin Falls Public Library. And today I wanted to just give you a quick run through of one of our amazing resources here at the library, Creativebug. You can access Creativebug by going to the website here, creativebug.com, or you can access it from the Twin Falls Public Library website, tfpl.org. You can scroll down to our featured resources. This is where you'll find all of the great resources we have access to: ebooks, newspapers, ancestry.com, and you'll click on Creativebug right here. It will take you out to Creativebug where it will ask for your library card number, and then once you've given your library card number, you can make an account. I've already made my account here. This is your home page. You can scroll down and look for inspiration if you don't know what you want to learn about. I'm interested in this. Or you can use the tabs up here to figure out where you're going to go. So here are the classes. You've got lots of different choices for classes: art and design, sewing, quilting, paper, knitting, crochet, food and home, jewelry, holiday and party, and kids. So if you're looking for a resource that works for the whole family, this is it. You can go to the Inspiration tab and look at projects that other people have made, get inspired by other Creativebug users. I find this to be particularly inspiring. And I really like this. You can go to daily practice, and if there's a technique that you're really trying to master, you can go here and practice it every single day. Watercolor lettering or drawing and painting with ink, things that really take a lot of practice to master. You can come here for your daily practice. So let's look at some classes. Let's say we want to take a sewing class, we want to sew an accessory. Oh, mending, that's perfect for right now. We'll look at a mending class. So your classes will tell you what level they are. This is a beginner class, thank goodness, and it will last about 1 hour. And then it will give you a little description of the class. It will tell you what you're going to learn, and it's going to tell you what you're going to get out of the class. Down here is a class discussion. So if the class is really great or really poor, you will learn that right there. I have yet to find one that is poorly received, but that's where you'd find it. If you decide you want to start this class, you can go into chapters and then begin the modules. You can look at what materials you need. So for this one, you'll need fine yarn and a darning egg. And I love looking at the gallery because that's pictures of the teachers' projects, so the professional projects, as well as the projects of the students once they're done taking the course. That's really helpful to me. And then there's the discussion here, notes, transcript. If you really enjoy this particular teacher, you can click on her picture and find other classes by that instructor. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a different kind. We will do ceramics. And we'll make some ceramic spoons. So again, you'll find the level. This is intermediate, so a little more difficult. It's only a 29-minute course. You'll find all your information here: chapters, materials, gallery. Here is the gallery of the projects that were made by the students of the class, which is heartening. Those look lovely. And the discussion down here. And that's it. This is an extremely usable resource, very user-friendly. It's fun to browse. I've spent a lot of time browsing this website, just looking for inspiration. If you do have issues using Creativebug, please contact the library and let us know, and we'll be happy to help you use it. In the meantime, have fun creating. Thank you.